Hello, Frank. As Wendy Brook told you over the phone, we are a digital agency with operations in Charlotte, North Carolina, and in Connecticut. And as Wendy might have already told you, we are working with contractors as well as remodelers and renovators all over the country. And we are doing this customized video just for you about how you can beat out your competition online. And since I don't want to waste any more of your time or mine, if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how I can help you bring on new customers, give me a call. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them and see how they work out for you. So let's get started. The three different topics that I'm going to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. Starting with the content, we mean anything that's on your front page, including the pictures. The pictures, for instance, are saved with a name, so that is also considered to be content that is readable by the search engines. Content in your front page should be typically around 1,500 to 2,000 words, and although this might sound a bit wordy, it is what your front page should have in terms of word count to allow you to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search for someone that offers your services. If we look at your page word count over here, we can see that you only have 339 words. Which also proves what we usually come across with, that content is something that web designers generally overlook. You already have a website. I don't know if you're planning to update your content, but 51% of companies say that updating old content has proven the most efficient tactic implemented when they already have a website on. So the first tip that I want to give you is that you need to make sure that you have more relevant keyword-rich content that is unique on your front page so that the search engine can help rank your company as high as possible. Now, the second thing that I want to go over with you is citations. And if I do a search here in Google, basically about painting contractors, Avon, Connecticut, and we go at the map section following the search query, we can basically see those three listings that are known as the Google Map Pack. You're going to get about 20% of your total calls just by being in one of these spots. And you do that by using citations, which are essentially your business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the internet. If we take a look at a special tool we have here at the agency, we can see how many citations you have, and it seems you're doing a pretty good job because you are having 25 and like your other competitors have like 27 and 28. So what would be tip number 2 is that in order for you to beat out your competition and be on the map pack, you just need to go out there and find all the different directories that your competition is listed in, get in those same directories, and then add a little bit more, because that is kind of what matters the most as how to rank your company here in the maps. Now, the third thing that I want to go over with you is backlinks. And backlinks have to do with your section found underneath the maps over here. And basically what a backlink is just a website that is sending a link back to your page. By using a tool that we have here at the agency called Ahrefs, we are going to see all the different websites that are currently linking to you. And in order for you to truly beat out your competition, you want to make this as your competition is in, and then get into some places that they are not, so that you are completely overtaking them. Ahrefs shows us that your backlinks give us 128 keywords. But unfortunately, those keywords are bringing you no traffic in your website. But if we take a look at your competition and we see the guy who ranks like first in the organic section, we can see that he's got 26 referring domain, giving him over 70 backlinks, 73 to be exact, and he's getting found for 71 organic keywords as a result, that are bringing him 20 people on average to his website each month. If we click on his keywords here, we can start picking those that are relevant to you and which you would like to go after. Because as I said earlier, in order for you to beat out your competition online, you just gotta rank for more keywords and in higher places like them. So here you can see the keywords that they're ranking. And this, for instance, painter, West Hartford, Connecticut, with a volume of 40 and a difficulty of 0, it's a very doable keyword that we can go after. The same goes for Palmer painting. And city house painter has a quite difficult keyword. Emergency painters, painting Canton, Palmer painter, it's a little bit Palmer paint, for painted. So there are keywords here that we can go after. We also check in general, and we check other competitors too. But this is what you do basically in order to outrank your competition. So that's all I got for you today. Hopefully this information has been valuable for you. Like I said, if you would like to know more about how I can help you grow your business and bring you some more new customers, reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the free tips that I've given you today. And just if you wouldn't mind giving me some feedback on how I did on the video. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.